everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a vlog video. Well, it's kind of a vlog video, it's kind of a bit more fun than that. It is my first come shopping with me style video. I have not filmed one of these in probably about 6 months because I haven't been in the shops for about 6 months. So I'm so excited because today I'm going to be shopping in London. I'm also going to be with Bella. We're going to try and get some drinks and food and just like have a really nice day. So I thought it'd be a good video to vlog. Although she did voice note me this morning and she was like, oh, Freya Killen got in loads of trouble for trying to film in Selfridges, so that could be an interesting situation. I might switch over to my phone and like secretly record because they do get a bit funny in some of these shops. Oh goodness, sorry, there's a vehicle coming very close towards us. But yeah, my lovely mum is giving me a lift. Shout out Vanessa. Hello. Here she is.
Keep my eyes on the
Georgia. It's a lovely sunny day. So yeah, I think it's going to be good. Anyone wondering what I'm wearing this blouse I'm obsessed with from Lorna Lux's In The Style collection. I did do a reel on this kind of collection on my Instagram.
Oh, it's stunning.
Yeah, the stuff is really lovely. Then I've just got this little Shein like knitted vest. I've got like faux leather kind of beigey trousers on that are just from Primark, and then I've just got my Balenciagas on and my new bag. So yes, that's my outfit. I have brought my mum's coat because you went out yesterday and you said it got a bit chilly.
Oh, 4 o'clock, freezing.
Yeah,
freezing.
So, and because obviously we have to eat outside, I just thought I'd rather like have a coat with me. I can always put it in a shopping bag or something. So yes, very excited. I think we're also going to go to Luxury Promise, which I've never actually been to that shop before, but I know Bella knows one of the girls that works in there, so we're going to go have a look in there, and I'm just very excited. So I will check in with you all when we get to London. Hello guys, look who I'm with. I'm with Bella. Sorry, all my lipstick and makeup has come off because we just had our masks on, and I feel like my mask takes all my makeup.
No, it looks fine.
I feel like I need to sort my lipstick out. I make the mistake of putting a lip gloss on.
I've got lip gloss. I've got a balm on.
And I feel like when you have a mask on, it just is the worst mistake to make.
I'm quite good at keeping the lips on. It's the nose that like my nose goes.
I know what you mean.
It's not the same.
I've ended up packing like a lot more makeup than I would normally bring out, just purely because the mask. Sorry, I know. Because the mask takes so much off. It is so nice, guys. We're in London and it just is the best feeling. Like,
it feels so weird.
Oh my god, it feels very weird. But do you know what's weird about it is we came up here when the shops
were in this exact
the day they closed or something. We went to Primark. Yeah.
When we did our Primark come shop with me,
and it was ghost town up here. Like no one was here, and now
it's not very busy.
No. My mum said Selfridges wasn't busy. Hi guys, so I've had a change of mask. What's it? We just went into Balenciaga and I saw, oh my god, look at them queuing for Chanel.
It's already gone
I've
a little bit chaotic.
I've already found a bag that I
absolutely love. You see what I put on my private story of yours?
Who knows?
She had on 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair on the floor, 3 bags.
But I found this bag, it's so nice. Oh my god, I just thought I would update you. I'm trying to secretly film before I get told off, so. Oh. Hey guys, now we are in Louis Vuitton. We got a coffee in the shop. How's this here? Hang on.
Oh, it's this one. It's the phone, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so weird. It looks like it's.
Does it look really weird? Sorry.
It looks like it's on like Portal.
It's just easier because I'm scared I'm going to get in trouble. So also my lashes look very long today. It's like LVL, honestly. It's changed my life. Hey guys, I thought I'd quickly cut in here to tell you about today's sponsor, Skillshare. As I'm sure most of you know, I've been working with them this year and I really think they're such a great platform for any of you creatives out there that are looking to further your skills. They offer online classes in topics like music, graphic design, marketing, and photography, just to name a few. My current favourite class is one by Marques Brownlee, and it's all about YouTube. I think lots of you guys might be interested in this class, as Marques himself is a self-taught creator who actually has over 13 million subscribers on his platform. So I feel like he's extremely knowledgeable. His classes can really help you with planning content, how to shoot videos, also even growing your channel while still having fun along the way. And I feel like these really do give you the foundations of how to achieve a career online, particularly in this YouTube space, which I think so many people are interested in. It's even been super useful to me in showing how to use my online platform in a more efficient way, and a class that was super helpful is his one all about hooking your audience and giving tips and tricks on how to keep engagement very high online. Skillshare is also super affordable. It's actually less than £10 a month with an annual subscription, and also the first 1,000 people to use my link below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium. So make sure you go and check the links out below, and if you have any questions, I'll be down there replying to all your comments. Guys, we're back. Sorry, the vlog was not that successful in Selfridges. I'm quite terrified.
Well, they don't like
vloggers. Yeah, they're not a fan. I tried to get some secret footage, so hopefully you saw that on my phone. Did end up putting 2 bags on hold. So
and it's only 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
And that was at like 11 o'clock.
I know. Oh, well, do you know what it is? I saw the bag that you've got, the black version of it.
Yeah, actually.
The Balenciaga, yeah. And they had it in this nude colour, and it was like, honestly, it's like the perfect nude.
It's stunning.
Like, it's such a
and
good...
it matches your outfit
matches, I know, that was the...
Really
and then
perfect.
there was one in Louis that I've been wanting to like just try on for so long, and they never have it, and they had it. But they made a whole song and dance of it, like, you know, or let us get it.
It took a good 20 minutes
so
to take it out.
Yeah, yeah. And then it's a whole like, oh, we couldn't possibly hold it, and it's like a whole process. Where in Balenciaga, they're like, yeah, of course, we'll hold it.
The girl in Balenciaga,
so nice.
She's so lovely. She's like
so nice
compared to other kind of. I know sometimes like I find Selfridges generally quite good.
Same. So I'm wondering if we go down there.
Yeah, we'll bit there.
We really ended up having lunch at a very bougie place, which was quite interesting, but they were fully booked. But maybe we'll go back, because I did think having a nice glass of prosecco or a nice like glass of white wine.
I know. She's had a really nice bag.
Lovely bag, yeah. So we're just going to go to New Bond Street and take some photos, because it's obviously a very good location. I think I'm going to put this down for a couple of seconds. So yeah, we're going to go get some photos, then we're going to go and get some wine, and then we're probably going to make a stupid purchase in Selfridges after the wine. Yeah, but it's good. I mean, it's very quiet out, if you are wondering. It's not busy at all. I thought it would be so crazy.
So did I. I thought it was going to be mad.
Yeah, but it's not.
Apparently Monday was the busy
day.
day.
Yeah. Have come into Luxury Promise, which Bella's bought a couple of bags from here before. Hope you can hear me. Hopefully this mask isn't muffling me too much. Just have the most gorgeous like Chanel's in. She's tried on a few, but I think I won't spoil it because I'll leave it for her. I'm sure she's going to do an unboxing or something. Aren't you, Bells? She's slightly scared. She's going to do some sort of reveal, so make sure you follow her of her new bag. But I will show you some of the ones that they have here, because they are so pretty. This one looks really nice. It's in the window. Red one here. This is what they've got. Bella actually has this bag. It's not got the, it's like the classic, yeah, it just, without the big D, yeah.
With the little pockets, so cute.
I know. Hi, here we are.
I really like that yellow one. But
yeah. I know, but it's such a cool colour, isn't it?
Which is so nice.
We've got these ones. Nice little beach bag moment. Classic. That's so nice, but I really want the one that isn't vintage. I want one that's a bit newer, because I want the puffy lambskin.
like just that with puffy.
Yeah. It's so nice. Then I saw those espadrilles down there.
I'm being crazy.
I don't think you are. Classic.
I've got my bag over there.
Chanel. Classic. Gonna wear it forever. She's left her Dior bag sitting on the sofa. It's great. We're gonna go and have a few drinks and celebrate, and then you'll feel so much better.
We need to make a purchase so I feel better about my purchase.
Yeah, but your purchase is a lot more than mine.
No, I know. And I feel better now.
We're having an epiphany on the vlog.
Life's too short.
Life's too short. It's gonna get so much wear over this summer. And then we are gonna go and have some drinks, because I need to refuel. I need some snacks. I need a glass of wine. Sorry.
Or we go to Alto.
And oh my god, this is kind of unreal. Oh my god, Bella, this is amazing. I'm freaking out, sorry. This is so cool. Honestly, it's so cool. Hey guys, we've made it. Me and Bells. We're still going strong.
Have we updated them about the phone?
We haven't updated them about anything. Long story short is Bella bought a bag, which you need to go and check out Bella's socials if you want to see more of the bag situation. It was just quite a stressful experience. Like, we were in there for a lot.
Very stressful.
Yeah.
It was the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life as well, so that was kind of stressful.
Yeah, a lot was happening.
My card, I had to like call the bank and then the bank was on hold, and then in the shop there was no signal, so then I was trying to go to the...
I forgot about that. A lot was happening.
It was a nightmare.
And then my phone ran out of charge. I had to come and pick up a portable charger from Selfridges. Then I ended up buying something, which I will show you guys later on in this vlog.
Yeah, no, and that's why the portable charger, they were like £80.
No, the portable charger literally cost me an absolute... I didn't realise how expensive portable chargers were nowadays.
And then we bought one and they were like, oh yeah, you need the lead.
You need a lead. So in total it cost me like 80 quid. And now we've just come to Selfridges, to Alto, to have a lovely meal, to have some wine. I think Sid and Molly are going to come and meet us, because they're in London as well. And we're going to chill and have a cocktail and catch up and eat. We need to eat. But it's lovely here. I'll show you guys a little bit of the restaurant. This is the menu. And then... Okay guys, so our food's come. We've got bruschetta, we've got calamari, bread, and we've also got some friends. Oh my god, we have friends.
I need to get a camera with a fluffy thing on top.
I don't think it makes any difference.
You don't?
Sorry to the camera.
I'm being honest with you, Sony.
I don't think it makes sodding difference. But guys, right, look, okay, we're sat in this place and it was lovely and it's a bit dark, whatever. Look at the tan on my hand, oh my god. Anyway, they've taken the roof. They've taken the roof.
My phone's getting orange.
Why is it so exciting?
There's a tiny bit of blue sky.
Oh my god, it is quite nice, isn't
And with the
it?
heaters on, it feels like the sun.
Yeah. Oh, it's lovely.
What a time to be
And
alive.
lovely, lovely.
Girls,
Wow. Guys, I'm so excited.
What a good time.
I don't know what happens when you get in there, but
You exposed!
oh look, something's happening. Something's happening.
Oh my god, it's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Let me film it. Let's film it. Ready?
Let's film it, wow. Nothing's happening yet. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
I got 10%.
You're fine.
You might have to text my mum if not. I've just posted it.
Oh, this looks lovely.
Divine.
Doesn't it? Cheers, everyone.
Wait.
Cheers.
Ready?
Cheers. You meant to sip it, but.
Hi vlog. We're drunk. Hi vlog. We're drunk. We've had, hang on, we had limoncello shot, 4 apples, £75. Oh my god, they were £75. But I have had, way to be dramatic, one of the best nights. Right, so I've had it in a long time.
I've had in the longest, like the best, like I've had
really
lovely
long, a really long time.
Lovely, just chat.
Lovely, really lovely.
Look how fashionable, she's such a fashionista.
No.
You guys need to go and watch her YouTube or Instagram. What would the unboxing be?
I've already done Instagram before, but
You need to go and watch Bella because honestly, I can't deal with the handbag she bought today.
I'm actually
Chef's kiss. Creme de la creme.
I still can't like focus like that amount of money on a handbag.
Life is so short. Live, love, love.
We might go and buy something else.
We're gonna go and buy matching suits. It's gonna be like $5 grand. No, I'm joking. We're being dramatic.
We'll be
100 quid. Yeah. But we're just having a good time.
The sky. The sky. Is so
Yeah, not our face. Sorry.
Everyone's in there.
Sorry, I know. Look at it here. Like they've got this amazing lantern situation. This was our table. The bill was absolutely hideously expensive. I can't even talk about it. But it's all worth it. I mean, look. Again, panicking. We're panicking. I'm gonna lose my job. So Sid's just left. Sid's left our hotel.
Get your plant. We have to squeeze it in here.
There's got a lot in there.
I don't know if you'll be able to see.
Oh my god, she's showing us.
That to
You're
perfection.
like, no,
Wait.
I can't
Here,
cope.
no.
I cannot.
There's a plant.
There's a basket and then there's a plant. Where? What?
No, it's under here. It's under here.
There's a vase. There's a vase. No. No. Oh my god.
I bought this suitcase today. I didn't bring it with me. I bought it.
Is this vase?
You can buy a 10p bag or a £30 suitcase.
Cheers, everyone. Hang on. Hi guys. So, I'm finally home. I don't know why I feel so tired. I feel exhausted and I've hardly worked, have I? Just taken my makeup off. Probably not done the best job. As you guys can see, these brows need tinting. My friend Summer, who is the most amazing brow tin girl, hit me up, honey, because I need you. But I've also got fresh sheets. The best feeling is fresh sheets. Just sitting here thinking about my bag. Should I do an unboxing? I'm going to do an unboxing in the morning because I want to talk to you guys about it and tell you a bit more. But I'll give you a hint. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to relax. I'm probably going to go to sleep because I'm so tired. And I'll check in with you all in the morning. But I'm home. Hi. They're like the nicest sheets. Oh my god. From I saw it first. I love them. Hi everyone. So I didn't finish up the vlog yesterday and I wanted to come on here and sort of finish it off, say hi to you guys. I just had the nicest day. I had the best day. Selfridges was really quiet, if you're wondering, like super quiet, I would say. I got there at 11 and from 11 till probably 4-ish, maybe 3. So super quiet, lovely time to go, obviously, if you can, if you're not at work. Just if you're wondering. Most of the service that I had was really good because I saw Freya Killen went and she posted about Chanel being an absolute joke. Now, I never went in Chanel, so like, as in I went in there, but I wasn't gonna buy anything, so it didn't really matter. But I just had a potter around, everyone was lovely. I did end up buying something that I do wanna share with you. I asked you guys over on Insta what video you wanted to see today, and you all said you wanted to see what I bought from Balenciaga. Look, I'm not even gonna do a disclaimer. If you are here to if you're here on my channel, you guys know I like handbags. It's something that I like to spend my money on, to each their own, I think, and whatever makes you happy. By spending my dollar on another bag that I probably don't need, but you know, it's okay. I went in, go and check out Bella's channel and her videos if you want to see what she ended up buying. She bought a bag from a brand called Luxury Promise. They are a resale vintage kind of specialty brand that buy and sell designer products, pre-used, pre-loved, and vintage pieces. Hers actually wasn't even used, it was basically brand new. So yeah, that was an amazing find. If you do want to go and check that out, and I always mention her because she's very knowledgeable on vintage and pre-loved items if that's a route you want to go down. This piece I did get from Selfridges. The girl that helped me in Balenciaga, she's not going to be watching this video, but must I just say, was an absolute gem. Like honestly, the nicest girl, so helpful, not pushy, just so nice. All of the girls actually in Balenciaga were lovely. There was another girl that checked me out when I came back, so I actually put the bag on hold, that was so lovely as well. So I had really good experiences. If you have any specific questions, shoot me a DM, I'll be able to help you. This is the bag I bought. I've been eyeing up this bag for the longest time, but I wanted it in this specific colour and I could not get it anywhere until I could get it. So this is the Balenciaga Hourglass bag. We actually bumped into, I ended up having drinks and lunch with Sid and Molly, as you guys saw as well. And Sid was like, but what bag did you buy? What bag did you buy? And I was like, I bought the Hourglass. And she was like, oh, I need to buy that bag. And she ended up buying it as well in like a crazy, like amazing color. So amazing, so her style. You guys know me, I'm a lot more scared of color and I love nudes and neutrals. So I did get this beautiful kind of creamy, nude color. I don't know what size this is. I want to say this is the small, but it could be the medium because I believe there's a size down from this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I mean, for a night out, this top handle moment is absolutely divine. It does also come with a crossbody strap, which I love. You guys know I like practicality as well as, I mean, this is super cute, but I know I need some practicality. So it just comes with the little leather kind of strap that you literally just clip on. And I'm so happy with her. And I think she's so cute. Yeah, I couldn't be happier. I absolutely love it. The leather on this is divine. It's like butter. So yeah, I'm putting her away because I'm gonna save her for a very special day when I can go out, but I really, really love this. I've wanted an Hourglass Balenciaga bag for the longest time. So I'm really happy that I managed to get one in Selfridges store, and it's in the color that I've always wanted. And they have a few colors, by the way, that aren't out. If you ever go in there and you think, oh, they don't have that colour, ask them, because they have quite a few in the stock room. They also had the trainers, they had the tracks that I was thinking of buying, but they didn't have my size, and I was like, it's not meant to be. But overall, it was just such a nice day. I really hope you guys like this vlog. I just feel like vlogs are getting a bit more normal, and I think that's what most of you want. I know it's what I want to watch and what I want to see. So I really, really hoped you enjoyed today's vlog video. Please feel free to leave any comments below. Please don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you're having a nice week, and the sun is shining today, and I'm feeling good. So yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Have a fabulous weekend. Love you guys so, so much. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.